Yes, see the children, you have enjoyed the poem, The Rabbit, right? Have you read the poem? No? Yes, you have read. Very good. So, who didn't read, those people read the poem 2 to 3 times. Okay, children? Then only you can write the answers. Clear? So, now already some of you read the answer, read the poem now. Now, tell me the next grammar part, comprehension part that we have time to answer. In this, what do we have first? Answer the following questions. So, they have given some questions, we should write the answers for them. So, open the notes, all of you write the answers. So, what is the first question? What is the first question? Tell me. What are crisp and green? 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 Tell me. Those are, yes, radish leaves kada? Yes. Write the answer for that. The radish leaves are, crisp and green. The radish leaves are crisp and green. Okay, ma. So, tell me the first answer. First question. What are crisp and green? What do we have? The radish leaves are crisp and green. Radish leaves, na? Yes. See the next question. Second question. What do we have? Second question. What is shining over the fields? What is shining over the fields? What is shining over the field? Field only they have given that we should write it. What is shining over the field? What is shining from the fields? Yes, the moon. So, right answer for this. The moon is shining over the fields. The moon is shining over the field. Okay, what is shining over the field? The moon is shining over the field. Right? And see the next question, third question. Yes, tell me the third question. Where is the owl? Where is the owl? Where is it? It is in the ivy bush, right? So, write the answer. The owl is in the ivy bush. The owl is in the ivy bush. Ivy bush spelling I-V-Y. I-V-Y. Ivy bush. That is a heavy bush. Right? Heavy plants bush. Okay. Where is the owl? The owl is in the ivy bush. Right? So, let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is, what is that? Who shakes his little tail? Who shakes his little tail? Who shakes? Yes, rabbit. Who shakes his little tail? Yes, tell me the answer for this. The rabbit shakes his little tail. Shakes his little tail. The rabbit shakes his little tail. Who shakes his little tail? The rabbit shakes his little tail. Okay, ma. And see the next question, fifth question. What is that? Tell me. Name the animals name the animals mentioned, name the animals mentioned in the poem. Which animals did we get in this poem? That names we should write. What are those animals? Tell me. Yes, one is rabbit. Very good. And yes, we have mouse. And another one, yes, that's the owl, frogs, right? Yes, write down. Owl, rabbit, and frogs, frog, dormice also, na? Dormice. Owl, rabbit, dormice, frog. Rabbit, frog and dormice. These animals mentioned in the poem. What are those? Owl, rabbit, frog, dormice. Okay, dormice means a kind of rat-like animals, mouse-like animals, right? And see the next one, sixth one, last question, tell me. Why is the rabbit? Why is the rabbit all alone? Why is the rabbit all alone? So only one animal only there, na? Rabbit only. It is calling, where are you all, right? So why is the rabbit all alone? Why? Because there is no one to play, right? Answer. The rabbit is all alone, is all alone because no one is there to play with it. Because no one is there to play with it. Because there is no one to play, no one is there to play with it. So that's why it is all alone. So why is the rabbit all alone? The rabbit is all alone because no one is there to play with it. No one is there to play with it. That's why it was alone. Okay, children. These are the question answers. Yes, see children, so the next one we have in the time to answer only second part. Fill in the blanks using clue kit. So here they have given the clue kit. Using that we should fill all these blanks. Total how many are here? 5. So there 5 clues they have given. What are those? Owl, tail, radish, breeze, the moon. So 5 words they have given. So wherever suitable in these sentences we should write. Yes, read the first one. You only know that. Tell me one by one. First one is, yes, dash is shining over the field. Dash is shining over the field. What is shining over the field? Yes, which is coming? The moon, right? So here, the first one. So last one, that we should write first one. What is this? The moon is shining over the field. The moon is shining over the field. And see the second one, a little dash is blowing. Which is blowing there? It is blowing breeze. Breeze is blowing, right? So second one here, breeze is blowing. Second answer, breeze is blowing. The little breeze is blowing. Breeze spelling B-R-E-E-Z-E. A little breeze is blowing. Okay, ma? And see the third one, the dash leaves are crisp and green. So which are crisp and green? Which leaves? Radish leaves, right? Yes, this one, radish leaves. The radish leaves are crisp and green. Are you writing? Yes, the radish leaves are crisp and green. Okay, see the next one. The rabbit shakes his little, which is moving, which is shaking. Yes, the rabbit shaking is its tail. So the rabbit shakes his little tail. The rabbit shakes his little tail. And see the last one. Yes, only one left over. The dash is in the ivy bush. Heavy bush. Which is in the ivy bush? Yes, owl. The owl is in the ivy bush. Okay. See children, so the next topic we have vocabulary part. What is this vocabulary part? Meanings, you know na? So it's a time to know the new words. So some new words we got in this poem. Already while discussing the poem we have learnt. So once again revise these meanings. What are these? See one by one. First one is breeze. Breeze. Breeze means it's a gentle wind. Breeze means it is a gentle wind. Okay, pleasant wind. Gentle wind. And next one is radish. All of you know the radish. It's a root vegetable. A root vegetable. And see the third one, crisp. Crisp means it is firm and dry. Dry one. So that is crisp sound we get it. Crispy. So and next one is winking. Winking. Yes, our eyes are winking. Right? Close and open an eye quickly. Close and open one eye quickly. And dormice. Dormice means mouse-like animal. Dormice means mouse-like animal. Okay, ma. So these are the meanings we have in this poem. Okay, children. So learn the meanings. Yes, see children. So the next part we have here, time to spell well. So in this definitely we get missing letters. Complete the following words. So in these words they missed one letter. Whatever it is missed there we have. From that we should find it. Okay, ma. So now say this one. Dash O-O-N. What do we have in this poem? The main is rabbit and moon. Right? So moon. Spelling it is dash O-O-N. We can take moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Right. See the second one. Dash R-E-E. Yes. Moon. M is here. And now see the second one. Dash R-E-E-Z-E. Yes. You know all this from the poem only. Right? Tell me answer. This is very good. Breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. So here we have this I am rounding off. So breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. And now see the next one. Dash A-B-B-I-T. Yes, all of you know. Very good. Rabbit. Spelling R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Circle this. Next one. Dash A-I-L. Yes, what do we have? Rabbit. Tail. So spelling T-A-I-L. T here. T-A-I-L. Tail. And next one. Dash U-S-H. What do we have? Yes, the owl is in the ivy bush. So spelling B-U-S-H. B-U-S-H. Bush. Right. Next one. Dash I-N-K-I-N-G. So what do we call this one? The eyes are winking. Spelling W-I-N-K-I-N-G. Yes. W-I-N-K-I-N-G. Winking. And see the next one. Dash O-R-M-I-C-E. So the rabbit calls for dormice. Dormice. Spelling D-O-R-M-I-C-E. D-O-R-M-I-C-E. Dormice. And next one is dash R-I-S-P. How the radish leaves. They are very crisp. Crisp. Spelling C-R-I-S-P. See here. So C-R-I-S-P. Crisp. And next one dash A-D-I-S-H. Yes, which is crisp. Radish leaves. So here it is spelling of radish. Spelling R-A-D-I-S-H. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Right. So where is the R? Here. And see the next one, dash I-T-T-L-E. How is it? The little breeze. So then here we have L. So little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little spelling, L-I-T-T-L-E. Right? So see the spellings, M-O-O-M, moon, breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, tail, T-A-I-L, tail, bush, B-U-S-H, bush, winking, W-I-N-K-I-N-G, winking, dormice, D-O-R-M-I-C-E, dormice, crisp, C-R-I-S-P, crisp, radish, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, very easy spellings, right? Yes. See children, so the next topic we have, it's a time to rhyme. So rhyming words, here two topics, that is in this we have, as fast as you can speak, so that we have. Say this as fast as you can. So in the previous class also you have got this kind of words. Repeating words, tongue twisters we call it. So what is this? So all of you, once I'll tell you and later was again all of you repeat it. A rabbit ran around a rock, a rabbit ran. A rabbit ran around a rock, a rabbit ran. Right? A rabbit ran around a rock, a rabbit ran. Right? So simple one, but rabbit, rock, ran. Rabbit, rock, ran. So a rabbit ran around a rock, a rabbit ran. Right? Can you speak it? So tell me once all of you as fast as you can. A rabbit ran around a rock, a rabbit ran. Right? Very fast if you say how these sounds, how we get it. Okay, very fun in English, how we get it. Okay, ma. And see the next one, it's a time to write. So what can we write here? Pick out the odd one out. So here the list of words we have given, odd words you have. So like this, here we should find the odd one. How can we find odd one? What is the odd one? Odd one means different one. Different one. Suppose here total 4 words in each, right? 4 words. In these 4 words, 3 gives the same sound, 1 is different. That different one is odd one. Odd one means whatever the set of words they give, 3 words or 4 words or 5 words. In that 3 words if they give 2 same, 1 is different. 4 words if they give 3 same sound and 1 is different. 5 words if they give 4 is same and 1 is different. That different sound of word is nothing but odd sound. Even word also 3 belong to 1 and 1 is different. That different one is odd word. Okay. Here odd one. So not of word, not of sound, different ways they have given. See this. Spoon, spoon, moon, noon, corn. All ending with n sound. But oon, spoon, moon, oon, noon, oon, corn, on. So what is the different word? Here not of meanings. These are not belong to same meaning, right? Same category. But here sounds only you should say. Spoon, moon, noon, corn. So here on sound we are getting. That's why this is the different one. Okay, ma. And so next one, tail, whale, worm, male. All are 4-letter words only. So say this, tail, whale, worm, male. Right? All these are ale, but this is right? Then different one is worm. Okay. Next one. See the next one. Bush, dish, fish, wish. Right? Bush, ush. All sha sounds on. But here bush, ush. Dish, ish. Fish, ish. wish, ish. So all these are ish sounds, but this is ush, right? So then different sound is bush. So write this as the answer, right? First one corn, write as answer, worm, and next one is bush. These three words again write here. Okay children, write down. Yes, see children, so the next one we have time to write. So what can we write in the time to write second part? What do we have? Take the help of the pictures to fill in the crossword puzzle. So there you have the pictures. So seeing these pictures, their names we should write in this crossword puzzle. We should write in this crossword puzzle. Okay children. So here total 1 to 9 they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 they have given. 9 pictures they have given. Right? What are those? First picture we have rabbit. Next dolphin. And next we have frog. Next fish is there. And next monkey is there. Next camel and butterfly, shark is there and dog is there and next horse is there. Horse. Right children? Yes. See children, so see those pictures and then write the answers for this. So can you find it one by one? Yes. First one can we go? First one? Yes. First one is the big one. So out of all these pictures, which one is the big spelling you get to see this? Rabbit, dolphin. Dolphin how many? D-O-L-P-H-I-N, right? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. Not 7 letters, right? So, see the next one, dolphin, frog, 4-letter word, fish, 4-letter word, monkey, 6-letter word, camel, 5-letter word, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, yes, 9 letters, right? Can we write? Yes, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, very good, butterfly. So the first one is butterfly here, okay ma. And so second one like this they have given down. What is the second one? How many letters? Should get the B there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letter word should get B. So what do we have to get the B? Yes, first one only, rabbit. But how many letters are there? R-A-B-B-I-T. Yes, 6-letter word. So shall we write? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Yes, suitable. Good. Next one, third one. Third one, second letter should get I. Should get I. So, can we write fish? Can we write fish? Okay. F-I-S-H, fish. That means sixth one down should start with H. So, what is the sixth one? What H? Which picture can start with H? Yes, we have only one, that is horse. Right? Shall we write? H-O-R-S-E. Very good. Horse. So that we got it. And now, so third one completed. Fourth one, see. Fourth one, second letter should get R. So what do we have? Dolphin do we get? No. Frog? Yes. Then we can write F-R-O-G. Frog. Right children? So frog. And next one, fifth one, where do we have? Here. So fifth one, here you can write and there also. So two methods we can write here. So first one, fifth down if we take it, what do you have? Yes, G should end. Which one is there? Which picture? Dog. Yes, here dog. So fifth one down we have and cross also we have. Down we have, cross we have, because 10 pictures they have given. So see that, dog down we have and cross. Cross one what do we get? Which picture starts with D here? Yes, you know. Yes, dolphin. Spelling D-O-L-P-H-I-N. P-H-I-N. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Right, children? Now, see the next one, sixth one already you have completed. Very good. Seventh one. Seventh one, see this. How many letters? 5 letters word should get. 5 letters. So, what are left over here? Monkey is there. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. No, monkey is not suitable. It is 5-letter word only. And next one, what do we have the picture? Yes, camel is there. Is it suitable? C-A-M-E-L. Yes, good. So, write the camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Okay, ma. And see the next one, what do we have? Eighth one. Yes, starts with M. M means what do we have? Monkey. Write that spelling. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. And one more is there, should end with K. So, which picture left over? Last one. What is that? Shark. So, spelling S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Clear, children? So, those pictures, whatever we have, all the names we got in this crossword puzzle. Right? Did you enjoy this one? Yes, write down. Yes, see children, so the last topic we have, that is time to do project work. You know this. See your book. What do we have? Draw a picture of a rabbit. All of you can draw the rabbit picture. Very good. So, very beautiful rabbit, you draw it here. Okay, ma. And then what you do? Now, fill in the following information. Here, some points they have given. You should write the answer for this. Very easy, interesting to you, about you only. What is this? See the first one. So, first draw your cute rabbit if you have pet animal, or else if you want to take it, what kind of rabbit you want to take it. So, that you draw it. Okay, ma. And see that one. Next one. Name the owner of the rabbit owner. Name of the rabbit owner. If you have the rabbit, you are only the owner, right? So, name of the rabbit owner, write down your name or your father name or your mom name, or else your neighbors, they have the rabbit, you love that one. Yes, write their name, no problem at all. Okay, ma. And name of the rabbit. So, what did you keep the pet name for that rabbit? You keep some names for them, na? Like that, how do you call that rabbit? Rabbit do you call? No. Some pet name you keep it, na? That name you write down. And see the next one, breed of the rabbit. So, in this, how the dogs breeds we have, in the rabbits also we have breeds. Do you have idea about that? Oh, very talented, you know. So, Rex is there, American is there, Netherlands is there, Angora breed is there, Holland breed is there, Flemish main important famous one I am telling very few. That is a Rex, American, Holland, Netherlands, Angora and Flemish. This kind of varieties mainly we have. So many varieties are there. Main these are. And next your rabbit is male or female. Male or female. That you write down. And next one, describe about your rabbit. So that is how it looks. Describe your rabbit. How cute and which color, which one is how much fur it has, that is hair, and how its tail and its eyes, everything you can describe. Just 1 or 2 points you write down here. Okay, children. So this is the work about your rabbit here. Okay, ma. So then continue the next one.